so good.
So good. I got the greens with ginger, and Jasmine got the sweet citrus. Your nails,
Very
I literally
sweet.
can't get over your nails.
Oh, thank you.
It looks so bomb.
Spring, we're ready.
Yes, we're so ready. We're at Restoration Hardware. Jasmine's hair looks the bomb.
good?
Oh, it's so bomb. It's so bomb. It's so pretty in here today. Guys, this mirror is everything. It's literally everything. It's
Have
so
you seen
cool.
this show Cheer yet?
No, I haven't.
Cheerleaders.
So we had to go and get Starbs, you know. And I went to MAC. I just got some travel like size makeup remover wipes because I'm going home, so I really needed those. But I got a peach green tea lemonade, my go-to. And Jasmine got a
It's a complicated order.
Seems like it.
A coconut milk vanilla bean iced latte.
Love. And I meant to get a nitro lid because I'm trying to save the turtles, and then I forgot, so now I'm kind of sad, but oh no. Hello guys, we're going to eat lunch. It's a new day.
We're walking to the next town over.
Bo's mad because I parked so far away and we have to walk. Sorry for the terrible lighting, but it is a beautiful day out. We're gonna go to True Food Kitchen and get some lunch.
It's in Kentucky, we're walking to Kentucky.
So we're gonna go to True Food Kitchen and get some lunch, and then we're gonna go to Whole Foods, do some grocery shopping. Just casual today. So, we're about to go right now. We got our juice. Looks so good. It's like sparkling pear or something. Is it good? It's really good. I can't wait to try this. It looks so amazing. We're at True Food Kitchen, so I'm gonna try this now.
Welcome back.
It's so good. Okay, so we're at Bar Taco. This is Bria.
Hi.
She's never been on my vlog. Love her.
We go way back.
We go way back, way back. And Kayla's here. Yes.
Double fisting.
Kayla's double fisting.
I've been waiting.
Yes.
Basically.
I got a margarita with salt, and we got some tacos coming. And I'm so pumped. I'm starving. I literally didn't eat like anything other than jalapeno chips today, so
Starving.
why are we out of focus? Oh well.
First time trying frothy for Brooke. How would you rate?
Okay, I would rate this a 10. I got...
Look at that giant dog.
Stop it. It's a giant dog. Hold on. He's cute. I love you. I love you. I really love you.
We love you.
Hi guys, so it is now the next day. I didn't really vlog much with my friend just because I wanted to hang out with them and we were really busy. We went to the mall and stuff. So I'm just having a cup of coffee real quick and I'm going back home in like 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. And I'm trying to get everything like cleaned in the apartment and I have to finish packing and stuff. But I thought I would just vlog today. I don't really have much going on other than that. But I also got this new plant in. How freaking cute. Hold on, let me show you guys. But this is my new plant. Oh my god, I am obsessed with it. So it came with this like really cute basket and it's a Majesty palm and I actually got it off of Amazon. It is a live plant, which I didn't know you could order live plants off Amazon, but I just think this is the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed with it. And I'm like the weirdo who named her plant. I named it Piper. So Piper the palm. I also have all my slippers right now, so excuse that. But I've got some packing done. I still need to finish this. I really need to get it all organized. I just have a lot of other stuff I need to pack. I need to get like 2 or 3 more outfits together and then I have to pack like all my makeup and like travel essentials, but I'm gonna wait to pack that until I think the night before I have to leave in case like I need something out of it. But this is the progress I'm making as of right now. It looks really messy. I really need to get it organized. I literally have on like the most chill outfit ever. I have these biker shorts on from Brandy Melville. I have my fuzzy slippers from Victoria's Secret. This giant like oversized sweatshirt. I have no idea where I got this. But guys, I'm so pale. I really need to get a tan. I just want it to be like warm, hot, sunny weather so I can lay out. That's all I care about. Literally all I care about right now. Also, excuse like my mess going on over here. I really need to figure out like what to do with like this stuff. I don't know. I just put it there because I didn't have anywhere else to put it. But I want to get a chair for right here. I want to get like one of those acrylic chairs. I've been lazy and haven't ordered one online. It would take 2 seconds, but you know, lazy problems. So I just keep taking like the chair out of the dining room and sitting here doing my makeup, but I really need to get a new chair for right here. And also, I got a planner just because like my schedule's been so busy, so I got this one and it's really nice. So got that. Keep everything nice and organized now, and now I know like what I'm doing on what days. It's been very helpful because before I would forget like everything. So yeah, I really need to eat something and then get a move on the packing. I made some pasta. I feel like I always make pasta. It's just like really easy. I just like had zucchini and bell peppers, so I just like roasted that in the oven, and then I had made some pasta with some spinach, and I used this pasta sauce. I really like this one. It's so good. But yeah, I'm about to go eat this real quick. And then I'm gonna try to like finish up my packing and stuff and cleaning the house. That's what I'm gonna go and do real quick. Okay, so I'm just using one of these little bags from Glossier. They're like so convenient and I feel like nothing leaks out of them, which is really nice. So I'm just like gonna put some witch hazel. I really like this one. This one is the rose petal one. They also have a lavender one that's really nice. I have a few of the cotton rounds that I like to use with it. I'm gonna pack a travel size Mario Badescu facial spray. This is just the chamomile and lavender. I really like that one. And then of course I have to pack my Laneige sleeping mask. I literally cannot live without this. This is the best product I think I've ever like bought. And then also my Mario Badescu protein night cream. It's a good one, so I'm gonna put all of that in here. All right, so I've got that packed, that's done. Now time to start organizing all of this. And I think I'm just gonna bring 2 bags. I'm gonna bring my Louis Vuitton bag just because it can like fit so much stuff in it. But I'm also gonna bring this one. Shoe Dazzle just sent me this. I am obsessed. So nice. You can get this on the Shoe Dazzle website, or you could go to Just Fab and get it also. They're like sister companies. But I'll show you guys how cute this little bag is. Like, it's so 90s, so I'm living out my 90s dreams right now. But like, this is just so cute. So I'm gonna bring this bag, and I'll also show you guys the shoes they sent me because they're so cute. So these are them. They are beautiful. Like, oh my god, like these with that bag, I feel like would look so good together. So I cannot wait to wear these. I'm gonna bring them back home and wear them like maybe to like dinner or something with some of my friends. So cannot wait to style those. Also, this is my favorite suitcase ever. I have this one in like the carry-on size. It's from Calpac. It's just a really great size. It holds so much stuff, and I've literally brought this like everywhere, and it just really holds up very well. This one's just like the black and white marbled one. I will link it down below for you guys if this one is still available, but this is like literally the best luggage I've ever owned before. Okay, so I've got a lot of stuff packed so far. I've just got like swimsuits and stuff and hair stuff, skincare. I packed a little bit of like shoes that I'm not going to be wearing the next few days. And then I'll pack my other shoes the night before. I've got some jewelry in there. I have my travel mirror, some like shampoo and conditioner and stuff. And then over here, I've just got like sweats, shorts, jeans, dresses, sunglasses, accessories, purse. So this is how it's looking now. I think I'm good to go for now. Then I'll just finish up all like the other stuff I have to pack like the night before or something, but I made pretty good progress. It looks nice and organized now, which makes me feel a lot better. I do need to go to the store. I need to go to Target and get like protein bars, I don't want a peach green tea lemonade from Starbucks. I'm not gonna lie. But I don't know if I'm gonna have time today or not. I might be able to go tonight, so keep you guys updated if I do. But I'm so excited to go home to get my hair done. Like my roots are growing out so much. I wanna bring the blonde up like all the way up here, get my eyebrows lightened. I don't trust anyone else with my hair, so it's a little difficult living in another state and your hairdresser living back home. It's the struggle, but I'm excited to get it done. So I just got done packing. I packed up the rest of my makeup and all of that jazz. So I can't wait to go home, and I will be vlogging when I go back home. So I will see you guys in my next vlog. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and don't forget to stay stellar. Bye.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.